KK's Art Studio.
Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing a snowman.
Yeah, super easy snowman. I love building snowmans, and now I get to draw one.
Wow.
So come join us.
Join us. Alright, so let's get started with the snowman.
Let's do this.
It's going to be super easy.
Let's do this. I'm ready.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just draw a big circle for his head.
Okay, I'm ready.
We're going to draw a circle.
Aha.
Mine looks a little like oval, but that's
You're good.
okay.
Alright, now
And then
what?
we're going to draw another circle right underneath for his body.
Okay, let's do
But
it.
we're going to attach it to the head as well, so we're just
Okay.
going to go around.
That's nice.
Yeah,
Go.
love it.
Okay, so we got the base of our snowman.
Yes.
What's next?
It's cold outside, right?
Of course.
So we need a scarf.
Let's do it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line like this.
Okay.
That's a little slanted.
Okay.
Same thing on this side.
Okay.
We're just going to connect these lines with a loop because
Okay.
that's going to be our scarf. So we're going to go like this.
Now, we're going to just come across like this.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you have the scarf. Wow. And then we'll add the little layers to the scarves.
Okay.
So this is the strings of the scarf. So we'll go with 2 horizontal lines.
Okay, like this.
Yep.
Got it.
And then we'll draw some zigzags.
Just for the detail of the scarf.
Yep.
Super.
That's our scarf. We could draw some buttons going down.
Yeah, well, obviously we have to
Yeah.
draw the buttons.
So I'll draw 3. And then we could
Cool.
draw his face. So
Okay.
we could draw 2 big eyes,
Okay.
2 big circles,
His left eye.
and then we could draw a little smiley face.
Okay.
So his face is out of sticks as well, so we can't really do too much.
That's true.
So we could draw a little curve like this,
Okay.
and then, yeah, and then
Oh, okay, so I can
a
draw
line.
the curve now.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So cute.
Draw
we
the
did it
mouth.
backwards,
Got it,
but
that's fine.
his mouth.
Okay.
Then we'll draw his nose. So what we'll do is, we need a carrot, obviously.
Yeah, it
So
needs to be like a triangle.
we're gonna draw a hook like this as well.
Okay.
Just going this way, like
Okay,
a
so-
backward C.
Opposite, got it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then wherever you want the corn to go up to, I mean the carrot to go up to, you could just draw a point and then you'll just connect it with lines.
Okay,
And it should look like a triangle.
got it.
So you go like that, and then you go like that.
So this is carrot nose, right?
This little carrot nose.
Got it.
Yep. Again, we could draw details and draw little loops like this. So we could go 1 and 2.
That's nice.
I like it.
Carrot. Yeah.
Okay, I like his carrot nose. It's cute.
We could draw his arms.
Okay.
His arms are made out of stick as well.
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out straight with a line,
All right.
copy it on the other
His little
side.
stick arms. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm following. I'm following. Following
Yeah.
along. I got it.
And then we're gonna branch out,
Okay.
go straight,
I'm watching.
horizontal,
Okay.
and then back
A
down.
little rectangle. Got it.
Yep. We're not
Okay.
gonna close off the rectangle because we're gonna add another one.
Okay.
And we'll go up,
I'm gonna go up.
to the side,
Another rectangle.
back down. Yep, another rectangle.
Got it.
Then we could just connect it.
Okay.
Amazing.
Yay.
Yeah, and then we could do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
On this one, you could come in from the body more.
Okay.
So you could just go out like this, horizontal,
Okay.
and same thing.
Oh, I did mine opposite, but it's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Cool.
And then draw some rectangles.
We can kind of free for all the rectangles, right?
Yeah, they're sticks.
Yeah.
All sticks look different.
That's
so.
true. They're like branches, and
Yep.
all branches are different. When you build your snowman in the snow, you just stick sticks in him, and all the sticks are gonna be different. That's
Yeah.
very true.
of
Okay.
course. And then
He needs help.
just little details to his eyes,
Okay.
right? So I'll have him looking to the right. So
Me
I'm
too.
gonna draw little loops. And what else do you think we're gonna
He
see?
needs a hat because he looks bald like me.
Yeah,
He
it's
needs a
cold
hat.
outside, so he
Yeah.
definitely needs a hat.
Let's get him a hat.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw 2 little horizontal lines again, like we did before. So I'm
Okay.
gonna draw one here and one here. They're a little slanted because the hat's gonna be a little slanted.
Okay. Got it.
Yep. And then you'll draw a horizontal line connecting that.
Let me come down a little bit more. Connect the bottom of the hat. Got it.
Then you'll draw another one on top to connect it. We're making a long rectangle.
Got it. That's the base of his hat. Okay.
Yep. And then for the
Draw
top,
the top
hat,
part.
we're gonna draw lines going up, just slanted a little bit out.
Okay.
Not too much. So you'll go out a
Okay.
little bit.
Got it.
Same thing on this side.
Okay.
And then you'll round it out on top. And he has a little hat. His little winter hat. And there
Yay!
you have your snowman. So now we could color it in whatever color we want.
Awesome.
And
Love it.
he's
All
ready
right.
for the winter.
Let's color in. I'm gonna do some fun stuff. Let's
Cool.
go.
Let's go. Thanks for watching.